So you also have a way to look at what the cosine, sine, and tangent would be of half an angle. Notice here it's a radical and there's a plus and minus. So I might not be sure what it is. With the double angle, it was easy to plug it in here. I could have one or the other. And so I have to make sure I take into account what is my quadrant. And so what you'll do is you'll know that your angle is in between something, let's say 0 and pi over 2, whatever quadrant it's in. And then to find what the half angle is, you just divide them all by 2. So here, if the theta is in the first quadrant, because that just equals 0, then theta over 2 is also in the first quadrant. So that's how you decide whether it's positive or negative. Also, if I look at this one, if I could simplify this a little bit, what if I multiply by 1 minus cosine alpha over 1 minus cosine alpha? This becomes 1 minus cosine alpha squared over 1 minus cosine squared alpha, and that's 1 minus cosine alpha squared over, this would be sine squared alpha. Remember, this is all under a radical, and so this becomes 1 minus cosine alpha over sine alpha. And similarly, if I multiply the top and bottom by 1 plus cosine alpha, I get it also would equal sine alpha over 1 plus cosine alpha. So there's 3 ways that we can write it: this way, and then the way that we gave you with the radical.